7 minus 7 times 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 gives us 0, and 7 minus 7 again is equal to 0, and 0 times 0 gives us 0. If you got this answer, then the marks you get in the exam is also 0. The reason is that there is a fixed set of rules in math called the order of operations, commonly known as PEMDAS in some countries, or BODMAS in some other countries, but they mean the same thing. In this rule, the letters P or B stand for parentheses or brackets, E or O stands for exponents or order, M and D stand for multiplication and division, and A and S stand for addition and subtraction. First, we have to solve for parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here we first do multiplication and then subtraction. 7 times 7 gives us 49. So we have 7 minus 49. Here we work from left to right. 7 minus 49 gives us minus 42, and minus 42 minus 7 gives us minus 49. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is minus 49.